Hi, my name is Mike Gates with New Light Analytics, and today we're going to talk about how to create a report that has cross-report drill-through capabilities. Come on with me to the keyboard and let's get going with this. Step number one is to create a destination report. Now that report is where you're going to drill into from your main report. Most likely you already have it created, but if not, you need to create one. So what I've done here is I've created a customer demographics report. This is the one I'm going to drill into from my main sales report. I'm going to be able to use this to drill into from my sales orders to drill in to see what my customer is going to look like. Just a simple table I threw together just so we can get the idea of it. Step number two is to turn on the drill through cross report right here. Click this little toggle and you'll see you get a little caption that comes up and allows this page to be used by other reports as a drill through target. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. Step three is you need to go and the field that you want to drill into. Now I'm going to drill into by customer's full name. So I'm going to go down here to my table and I'm going to drop this right into the drill through, the cross filter report. It's the drill through section, just like you'd use for a page drill through. Now, very important is to understand that in both reports, you need to have the same table name and the same column name. So this has to appear in both reports that you're going to use, both your report of origin and your destination report. They have to be the same in order for the drill through to work. So step four is go up to File, click on that, go down to Options and Settings, click on that. You'll hit the Options, then you want to go down to Current File right here, and the bottom, the Report Settings, and make sure this Cross Report Drill Through is selected. You want to select that, hit OK, and then next what you're going to do is just publish it. I'm going to save it to my workspace. Because I've already published it once, it's going to say there's a report, so I'm going to hit Replace, and success. Hit Got It. Okay, here's the next step. We have our report of origin, or our origin report, where we're going to drill into our destination report from this report. Now remember, when I said earlier that we needed to have a table that was named exactly the same, which we have, it's the same table, and we have the full name, so that's good. Now one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this cross report button on this one too. Whatever you do, do not do that. It will break it. It will not work if you select it. It's counterintuitive, but please do not select it. So the only thing we really have to do on this report is go to the file, just like what we did for the other one. Go down to Options and Settings, click the Options gear, go down to Current File, Report Settings, and this cross report, it has the same one. Click on that. So it allows it to interact with each other. You hit OK. Now we just have to publish this report as well. Save our changes. I'm going to publish it. Hit Replace because I've already published it before when I was using it for a different example. Let's take a second to talk about publishing your reports. In order for a cross-report drill-through to work, they all have to be published in the same place. So if you have your report of origin and your destination report that you're going to drill into, they both have to be saved in the same spot. You'll notice on this that I've used my workspace as the place to put it, but if you use SharePoint, you publish it to SharePoint or a website or however you're going to do it, they need to be in the same spot. It's super important. If they're not, it just won't work. They won't be able to talk with each other. So let's go back and see how this report runs. Okay, I've now opened up our origin report in the service. If I want to drill down on Adam Adams, he's got $141.98 of sales. I want to know who Adam Adams is. So I'll right click, and just like a page drill through, you go over your drill through and you'll see the sales order details, but the cross report drill through will have the name of the page and the title of it, of the page you're going to do. So you go ahead and right click on that. You left click on that. It's going to open your customer report. It's going to go to the customer demographics page that I had. And you see here it's got Adam Adams. and it's got all of his information that we put in there. To want to go back, it brings this up saying click to go back to previous page in this report, but it really does not work right now. Maybe in a future update they'll have it working. So you navigate by hitting the arrow back on your browser, and that's going to come back to where we are. And you'll see the other drill through is to the sales order details page. So I can pick someone else. Let's pick Elijah Adams. I right click, and you see the drill through. If I go for the regular one, it'll bring me to my sales order details. And I left click on the customer demographics. It'll go through, and you see it's Elijah Adams. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications. I post new videos out every Tuesday morning,